Hi, I'm Jonathan Thomas with ATXN, and this is your ATX Update as we look to close out the month of July with some great events going on around town this weekend. Saturday, head to the Asian American Resource Center for a full day of exhibits for Summer Art Day. From 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., there will be artist talks, tours, and workshops for the summer exhibits. The center will be closed between sessions, so make sure you check registration requirements for each session. Those details are on this events page at austintexas.gov. Saturday as well, come celebrate a summer of creativity, collaboration, and community at the Outreach Productions End of Summer Student Art Showcase. Check out student-led art exhibits, interactive art displays, free food and refreshments, and of course, music. It's from noon to 2 at the African American Cultural and Heritage Facility. Also on Saturday, for the first time ever, Japan Fest, the world's largest Japanese food festival, is coming right here to Austin. Vendors have been featured on the Food Network, the Today Show, and the New York Times. It's at Republic Square from 5 p.m. to 10. Finally, this whole weekend, the AISD Summer Theater Series, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, will take place at the AISD Performing Arts Center. The show runs from 7 to 9:30 p.m. General admission is $15, $10 for AISD students and staff members. And that's just a look at some of the events going on in the capital city. For a full list of events, head on over to austintexas.gov/events. And while you're online, you might as well check out more ATXN content on our YouTube page at ATXN TV. I'm Jonathan Thomas. This has been your ATX Update. Have a great one.